Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to learn another example problem on unpaid t-test. Okay, so వీడియోలోకి వెళ్ళే ముందు మీకు గనుక నా క్లాసెస్ నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో టు సో unpaid t-test example 2. Two types of batteries X and Y are tested for their length of life and the following results are given below. Battery X, Y, sample size 10 and 12, mean length of life 1000 and 1020, variance 100 and 121. Can you conclude that the two types of batteries are having the same mean life or not? So here in this data, so data is directly given in this problem. So this is the problem. First, how to find out? This is the t-test. So in t-test is the small sample test. So t-test is the small sample test. So here sample size 10, 12. That means sample size is less than 30. Then we have to find out this is the small sample test. And this is t-test. So and the sample size is not equal in both samples. That means in x1 series, in x1 the sample size is 10 and in x2 sample size is 12. That means the sample size is, that means n1 not equal to n2. Then we find out this is unpaid t-test. Okay, so here solution. What is the first step of the testing of hypothesis? So null hypothesis. Null hypothesis is denoted by H0, mu1 equal to mu2. That means there is no significant difference between the mean lifetime of two batteries. Here, what is the second step? The second step of the testing of hypothesis is alternative hypothesis. So alternative hypothesis is denoted by H1. Here H1, mu1 not equal to mu2. That means there is a significant difference between the mean lifetime of two batteries. Here, what is the third step? The third step is level of significance. It is denoted by alpha. So here 5% is, that means 0.05. In case in this problem the alpha level is not given in the problem, then we have to take 5% as alpha value. What is the fourth step of the testing of hypothesis? Calculation. So in the calculation we have to write the T formula and we have to calculate the T calculate value. So here T is modulus x1 bar minus x2 bar by s, here s into, here s root 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. Here in this problem battery x is denoted by x1 and battery y is denoted by x2. Okay, otherwise we can take as x and y. Okay, so then you can change the formula x bar and y bar. Otherwise you can denote the x battery is denoted by x1 and y battery is denoted by x2. Okay, here s formula, s equal to square root of n1 minus 1 into s1 square plus n2 minus 1 into s2 square by n1 plus n2 minus 2. Now we have to calculate the T calculate value. Okay, here battery x and y. Here battery xy sample size is nothing but n1. Here n1 equal to 10 and n2 equal to 12. n1 equal to 10 and n2 equal to 12. Here mean length of life. So mean length of life, mean is nothing but the x bar and y bar. So we have to take as x battery is denoted by x1 and y battery is denoted by x2. Then we have to take these values as x1 bar equal to 1000 and x2 bar equal to 1020. And variance. So variance is denoted by sigma square. Variance is denoted by sigma square. So standard deviation is denoted by sigma. In this problem we have to take sigma, we have to take standard deviation as s and variance as s square. Here variance means s square. Here s square means, that means s1 square equal to 100 and s2 square equal to 121. Okay, this is the data. Then what is standard deviation formula? S formula, s equal to square root of n1 minus 1 into s1 square plus n2 minus 1 into s2 square by n1 plus n2 minus 2. This is the standard deviation formula. Okay, here n1 means number of observations in first sample, n1 equal to 10 minus 1 into square root of 1 into s1 square. Here s1 square equal to 100. So in case ikkada standard deviation iste ganaka, so in case standard deviation iste manaki ikkada 10 తీసుకుంటాము. సో అంటే మనం 10 స్టాండర్డ్ డివియేషన్ 10 11 ఇస్తే కనుక అప్పుడు మనం డైరెక్ట్ 10 స్క్వేర్ అలాగే 11 స్క్వేర్ చేసుకుంటాం. బట్ ఇక్కడ మనకి డైరెక్ట్గా వేరియన్స్ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ఇచ్చేసాడు. సో కాబట్టి వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ది డైరెక్ట్ వాల్యూస్. ఓకే, ఎస్ స్క్వేర్. సో ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు s1 స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 100 ప్లస్ n2 నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఇన్ సెకండ్ శాంపుల్ 12 మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ s2 స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 121. సో ఒకటి జాగ్రత్తగా కేర్ఫుల్గా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయండి. ఇక్కడ వేరియన్స్ ఇచ్చాడా స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ ఇచ్చాడా అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో వేరియన్స్ అయితే ఎస్ స్క్వేర్గా తీసుకుంటాం డైరెక్ట్. స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ అయితే మాత్రం s1 s2గా మాత్రం తీసుకుని ఆ వాల్యూని ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, బై n1 అంటే 10 ప్లస్ n2 12 మైనస్ 2. Then 10 minus 1 equal to 9 into 9 into 100 square root of 9 into 100 plus 12 minus 1 11 into 121 by 10 plus 12 22 22 minus 2 20. Then square root of 9 into 100 900 plus 11 into 121 1331 by 20. That means, so 900 plus 100 and 1331, that equal to 2231 by 20 square root of, that equal to square root of by cheste 111.55. So then square root cheste 10.56. This is the standard deviation value. Now we have to find out the t calculate value. So t statistics, that means t formula equal to modulus x1 bar minus x2 bar by s square root of 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. Here x1 bar, so x1 bar equal to 1000 modulus 1000 minus x2 bar equal to 1020. x2 bar equal to 1020 by, here s value 10.56, then 10.56 into square root of 1 by n1. So here n1 value 10 into 1 by 10 plus 1 by n2 value 12. Then modulus minus 20 by 10.56 into square root of, so 120. So then 120 by 22, that equal to, so we can take this value as positive value, then 20 by 10.56 into square root of 22 by 120 equal to 0.183. So then, so here square root of 0.183 equal to 20 by 10.56 into 0.428. Then 20 by 0.428 into 10.56 equal to 4.496. 4.496. Then 20 divided by 4.496 equal to 4.448. This is the 4.448. This is the T calculate value. Okay. So then T calculate value equal to 4.448. So after that we have to find out the T table value. So T table value find out cheyalante we have to know the level of significance and degree of freedom. So level of significance alpha equal to 5%, that means 0.05, and degree of freedom equal to n1 plus n2 minus 2, that equal to 10 plus 12 minus 2, that equal to 22 minus 2 equal to 20. So we have to see the table value at degree of freedom 20 and level of significance 0.05. So what is the table value? Then degree of freedom 20 and level of significance 0.05, 5%. That means table value equal to 1.725. So table value equal to 1.725. Okay, then T table value equal to 1.725. After that we have to compare the both T calculate value and table value. Compare T calculate value and T table value. So T calculate value equal to 4.448 and T table value equal to 1.725. That means calculate value is greater than table value. Then we have to write the conclusion. Okay. Okay, the last step of the testing of hypothesis is conclusion. So in this conclusion, the calculate value is greater than table value. Then we accept alternative hypothesis at 5% level of significance, and we conclude that there is a significant difference between the mean life of two batteries. Okay, thank you.